We say time flies, we are always short of time. We are always getting distracted by everything around us, and we postpone things either to the next day or to the next week. In a nutshell, we do everything in our capacity to waste time. And we don't realize the importance of time till we have lost it. So, why is this happening? We all know that we should not be spending too much time in front of the television. We all know that we should not get distracted by our devices, and yet we are doing it. So the bigger question is, how do we stop this so that we have time for the important things in our life? So let us look at the root cause for this problem. Welcome back, friends. I'm Ranjana Kamo, and today we are going to discuss the root cause which makes us waste our time and how we can control it so that we do not waste our time anymore. I will attribute the mismanagement of time to two main reasons. One is the lack of a proper goal and direction to our life, and second is a lack of a structure around our day. That is making us get distracted and we are all over the place. So let us look at the first aspect. If we are very clear about the goal in our life, we will align our day to the goal, we'll be focused on the goal, and we'll prioritize it, and nothing will be able to distract us. What is happening today is that the distractions are gaining all our focus, whereas we should be actually addicted to our goals. So we need to think about that dream, that goal that we have for our life, so that we can get addicted to it and work on achieving it. So how do you know what is the goal for your life? Just close your eyes and think about how would you like your life to be described. Just close your eyes and see. Do you want to be called a brilliant teacher, an exceptional photographer, a brilliant painter, an unbeatable footballer? What would you like to be called? And that is going to be the dream, the goal for your life. And once you have clarity on that, you will be able to work on achieving that goal. Your entire day will be focused on that. You will be addicted to your goal, and when you are addicted to your goal, you will not get distracted at all. You will not be wasting your time because your entire focus will be on prioritizing your goal. So please think about this goal as soon as you can and start working on it. It's not going to happen overnight. It is going to take a long time and a lot of hard work. So when you are addicted to your goals, it is going to be just like Einstein was addicted to his inventions and he would not get distracted by anything else. And now comes the second aspect, to have a structure around your day. Think about your goals, think about your dream, and then once you start working on your goal, the way to move through your day is to have a to-do list made up early in the morning or probably the previous evening, which can give you the exact list of errands or tasks that you need to run through the day. And once you have that completed, you will start working on it and you will try to complete these tasks at the quickest pace because you would want to go back to your dream. Because you would want to go back to working on your goal. So draw up this to-do list. Start working on these tasks, try to complete them as fast as possible, and then devote the rest of your time to working on achieving that goal. So once you are clear about your goal, you will be able to structure your day and you will be addicted to your goal and not to your distractions. So be addicted to your goal so that nothing can distract you. Hope this video will help you be more productive during the day. We are going to meet very soon next week with another interesting topic. Please subscribe to my channel for more motivational videos. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care and goodbye.